Today we are learning kettle fill, which, y'all, I might as well have named it a 7-layer dip because that's how many different layers of thread we're gonna put on here. I used rainbow colors this time to make all the elements show up even better in their proper order. We're starting this process with some stripes done in satin stitch. 3 threads placed nice and close together, then a gap in between. This can be a fairly large gap, at least twice the width of the stripe itself, if not more. Once that first layer of stripes is down, we'll add a single piece of thread right in the center of those gaps, a skinny stripe between the wider ones. Moving to the perpendicular direction, we'll add more skinny stripes, just the one piece of thread, trying to keep the gap between them about the same as the gap between the skinny stripes on the ground layer. This will give us some lovely symmetry in the end. Now for those wider stripes, 3 threads thick again and placed right in the center of the open spaces in that crossing thread direction. Here's the only step that takes a little more time. We'll now be adding some interlacing on the last set of wide stripes. Coming up right next to one, I'll slide my needle underneath the skinny stripe, the orange one from the ground layer, then cross over the top of this green stripe and slide under the next orange stripe on the other side. So all the way to the other side, it's under the skinny stripes, then go across the wide stripe. When we come back in the other direction, that will create an X over the wide stripe cross point. With our interlacing done, it's about time we got a diagonal in here, so we'll do just that with some single thread stitches. This should cross over just the place where the 2 wide stripes intersect, where we just placed an X with the interlacing. And our final step, the 7th layer of thread, is some tacking stitches, placed over the cross points of those 3 skinny stripes in the final remaining direction. And that is our completed kettle fill. Don't forget to add a border if you'd like. And we're done!